Achieving financial independence is the American dream. It's the promise that with hard work and smart choices, you can live life on your own terms. But here's the truth. Many people are unknowingly sabotaging their own financial freedom. It's not always big mistakes. It's small, silent habits adding up over time. In this video, I'll show you 7 of the most common habits killing your chances at financial independence and exactly how to fix them. The first habit, unnecessary spending. It's not luxury cars or designer clothes doing the damage. It's the daily coffee run, the takeout meals, forgotten subscriptions, and impulse buys. Each one seems small, but together, they drain thousands from your wallet every year. Without building any real wealth, this happens when there's no clear budget or spending plan. You lose track of where your money really goes. Track every expense for 30 days. Create a realistic budget. Cut back on what doesn't matter, and redirect that money into savings and investments. Second, normalizing high-interest debt. Credit cards are everywhere. They're easy to use. Too easy. Many Americans treat them like extra income instead of a tool. When you only pay the minimum, most of it just covers interest. The balance stays high, and your money keeps going to banks, not to your future. Make a debt payoff plan. Use either the snowball or avalanche method. Stop relying on credit. Start living within your means. Third, failing to prioritize saving and investing. Too many people live paycheck to paycheck or save inconsistently. Without an emergency fund, unexpected costs lead to more debt, and without retirement planning, compound interest works against you. Automate savings. Treat it like a fixed expense. Start with an emergency fund, then open a retirement account, IRA or 401, and start contributing early. Fourth, not having a clear financial plan. Without goals and strategy, your money has no direction. You end up making decisions based on emotion, not logic. That leads to scattered spending, missed opportunities, and slower progress toward freedom. Define your short and long-term goals. Track your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Review your plan regularly. Adjust it as life changes. Fifth, ignoring financial education. Markets change. Tax laws evolve. New investment options appear. If you stop learning, you miss out on better strategies and fall for misinformation or bad advice. Keep learning. Read books, follow trusted podcasts, take courses, understand concepts like asset allocation, inflation, and risk management. When needed, consult unbiased professionals. Sixth, lifestyle inflation. Getting a raise feels great, but if you increase spending right away, you waste the opportunity to grow your wealth. That new car or bigger house might feel rewarding, but they don't build financial freedom. Before upgrading your lifestyle, direct raises and bonuses into savings and investments. Keep fixed costs stable. Enjoy a little, but prioritize your future. 7. Fearing calculated investment risks. Keeping all your money in cash feels safe, but it's actually dangerous because it won't beat inflation. To reach financial independence, you need growth. That means investing in stocks, bonds, real estate. With knowledge and discipline, learn about your risk tolerance. Start small. Focus on long-term strategies. Avoid panic selling during market dips. Fixing these habits isn't easy, but it's worth it. Cut unnecessary spending. Pay off debt. Save automatically. Build a plan. Stay educated. Control lifestyle upgrades. Learn to invest wisely. These steps will put you on the path to true financial independence. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Want a free checklist with all 7 habits and fixes? Drop a comment below. I'll send it to you. Let's build a smarter, wealthier future together.